friends, welcome to my channel Medical School. I hope you all are doing well. Today our topic is traumatic brain injury. Before we start our topic, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Before going in detail, let me tell you the basic things. Traumatic brain injury is a sudden damage to the brain caused by a blow to head due to the car, motorcycle crashes, falls, support injuries, and assaults. Injuries can range from mild consciousness to permanent brain injuries. In severe cases, bleeding inside the skull collects and the mass of clotted blood forms between your brain and the skull, and it may be not show up for days or even weeks after injury. Let's start the definition. Traumatic brain injury is a blow to the head or a penetrating head injury that disrupts the normal function of the brain. TBI can result when head suddenly and violently hit the object and object pierces the skull and enter the brain tissues. Symptoms of the traumatic brain injuries. Neck pain, slow reflexes, blurry vision, and the loss of consciousness are the symptoms of mild injury. Symptoms for moderate to severe TBI: lasting nausea and headache, trouble in walking, waking, and speaking, dilated pupil, weakness and the numbness in the body, short-term memory and the loss of impulses. Causes include falls, assaults, sport injuries, and military actions. Hard fall or hit to the head may lead to the shock and the trauma, causing decrease in vision and the memory. Doctors perform neurological examination by X-ray, CT scan, and MRI to diagnose the injury and the symptoms, to find the skull fracture and bleeding inside the brain. For treatment, doctor will start to stabilizing your injury. This involves getting oxygen to your brain and the body, maintaining blood flow, managing blood pressure, and many of the precautions will help to treat your injury. There are some preventions. Never drive under the influence of the alcohol. Avoid dangerous sports activities. Follow the driving instructions and use shock absorbing materials. Let's start the traumatic brain injury mechanism. Because the brain and its nerve cells are so fragile, sudden rapid movement of the head can cause injuries. During one such injury called coup-contre-coup injury or acceleration-deceleration injury, the brain bounces back and forth against the bony anterior wall of the skull. In high-speed coup-contre-coup or traumatic injury, the impact may be violent enough causes swelling and bruising of the brain tissue called contusion. However, in case of bouncing in low speed, resulting damage may not be visible to naked eye. As the brain moves back and forth within the skull, there is very intensity in the brain slide over each other at different speed. Axons crossing these junctions experience tremendous shearing forces, causing them to stretch and tear from the cell body. This event is called axonal shearing or diffuse axonal injury. Brain damage can continue for hours or days after traumatic injury. The torn axons quickly to generate, releasing toxic level of the chemicals called neurotransmitters into the extracellular space in the brain. In turn, many of the surrounding neurons begin to die in 24 to 48 hours after the traumatic injury. Thank you for watching my video. Take care and don't forget to subscribe.